Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you how you're gonna enter your cash secure put options. And of course I'm gonna use here TastyWorks as usual, which it is my option trading broker. Okay, and the reason why I'm recording this video because I just upload this video here which is called how to manage cash secure puts. And someone asked to me, but if I don't know how to enter, why am I gonna learn how to manage the trade? The first thing to do is to learn how to enter. Okay, so basically I'm gonna show you guys here things that I look for, or a few things that I look for when I trade cash secure puts, and I'll try to be as quick as possible so I don't lose your guys time. Okay, but without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is whatever trading platform you might be using, think of Swim or E-Trade or Robinhood, whatever it is, the first thing you need to do, guys, is understand your strike price DTs. As you guys can see, we got 0, 6, 7, 14, 31, and so on. What I do is my soft spot is between 30 to 60, so anything between here. Okay, this will be my soft spot. So what I do is I'm gonna go 45, which is really good, actually my favorite one. We're gonna open here the option chain, and what you're gonna do is you need to ask yourself how bullish you are in this particular product. I go by these. Okay, let's say for example this is IWM, which I'm long-term investing on IWM anyway. I want to hold IWM for the long term. Whatever reason might be, receive yield on my shares, or run the wheel strategy, or run the cover strong, or whatever purpose you might have. You need to ask yourself, okay, am I willing to hold this thing for the long term? Yes, I am. So I'm going to trade there. It is an ETF, especially for those of you that are beginners. Yes, it is. I'm going to trade there. So if it's trading at a very, very all-time high, like pretty much it is right now on 4th of October 2024, I want to get my deltas, guys, around, let's say, 12 to 16. Okay, why? Because if I get a sign for the first time, I want to start to manage this trade at least 10% below the current market price. In other words, below the all-time highs. Okay, because from here I can start to do my DCA, in other words my trade management, until I get into IWM with 20-30% to hold there for the long term, to get a sign and just convert a cash secure put into long-term shares. So that's first thing you need to ask yourself, how far it is from the all-time highs. If it is trading the all-time highs, I'm going to stick between 12 and 16. If IWM is already down, let's say 10%, 15%, 20%, what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to go something, let's say, between 16 to even 30 deltas. Okay, to even 30 deltas. But if IWM is already trading, let's say, 30% pullback, like COVID-19, 2020, or 2019 crash, 2018 crash, things like that, guys, I'm going to trade my cash secure puts right at the money. Okay, I don't mind, because although it is at the money, my cash secure puts with a delta of 45, I'm still here. Let me get a point. I'm still buying this thing here at 30% discount already, and I'm gonna collect here a huge premium, like you guys can see, which is gonna drop my base cost. Okay, so you need to ask yourself those three questions, or in other words, the main question, how far it is the product, the security, ETF, stocks, commodities, trading from the all-time highs. And then you're gonna pick a strike price. Let's say, for example, you're gonna sell the 16, which is pretty much 1 STD. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell here the 198. Okay, in this case we're gonna receive $1.98 to sell these 16 deltas, which is going to expire in 45 days, and we're gonna have here one contract. And of course, we are pretty much, guys, getting to a contract with who? With the option buyers. Okay, the option buyer, it is paying us $198 to have the rights to buy the shares from us, or to sell the shares from us to us at $198 at this time, or maybe during the lifetime of the option, because he can exercise anytime. Remember, this is American style options. American style option can get exercised anytime. So basically, we are just selling insurance here, telling this guy here, or this option buyer, he or she, we can sell the stock for you at 198. But what if drops all the way down to 185? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're gonna have to purchase the shares here at 198. Okay, so basically, the option buyer, it is paying the premium for us to lock in a price of at least 198, because if the shares drop to 185, okay, all the way down here, we're gonna still have to pay 198. We're gonna suffer this loss here, which it is K strike price minus the stock price at that time, whatever time might be, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, and so on. So basically, we are selling insurance, and that's what, guys, the big hedge funds, Warren Buffett, all those big guys does when it comes to trading options, okay? So very, very simple. So pay attention here to your deltas, pay attention how far the security is trading from the all-time high, and then you pick up your strike price, make sure you are selling the option if you're option seller, how much you get, you multiply that by 100, okay? And of course, as you guys can see, we had a pop here of 87%. That's not too shabby, okay? And of course, as well, your buying power, something that you need to pay in consideration, and your position size. So these is the things you should be taking into consideration before you selling cash secure puts. So once you learn this thing here, place your trades. If you do get a sign, if your trades get into the money, if you are on the dance floor, things like that you need to manage, what you do is, guys, you come here, then you watch this, and then you learn how to manage your trades. This will be your second step on how to manage your cash secure put, okay? Very, very simple, straightforward. If you guys have any question, leave your comments below, and I'll be very happy to answer all your questions you might have, okay? Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, leave your like behind, and all the best and happy investing.